Can a complete beginner really make something cool like this with this DIY carving kit? Today, that's the test. This is the Beavercraft DIY01 Comfort Bird Carving Kit. And the goal is simple. Open the box, use what's included, follow the steps, and see if you can actually carve a smooth, gift-worthy wooden bird. If you've never heard of a comfort bird before, it's basically a small carved bird that's made to fit naturally in your palm, designed as a soothing, tactile, almost emotional little object you can hold, smooth, rounded, and calming. It's one of those projects that's simple enough, but still feels meaningful when you finish it. This kit is perfect for total beginners, people who want a relaxing craft night, makers who want a quick win, and anyone looking for a handmade gift idea. You don't need a workshop. You don't need experience, you just need a table, a little time, and the willingness to try something new. All right, let's see what's actually inside the kit. You get the C1M small whittling knife, 2 wood blocks, 1 basswood and 1 cherry, a carving pattern, a leather strop with polishing compound to keep your knife sharp, cut-resistant tape, sandpaper in multiple grits, beeswax finish, plus step-by-step instructions, and a video tutorial. So this isn't just, here's a block of wood, good luck. This is a full beginner setup. This kit includes 2 different woods, and that's another thing that makes it great for beginners. The basswood block is softer and easier to carve, perfect for your first bird where you're learning the feel of the knife, and the cherry block is the upgrade, harder, richer looking. It makes the final bird feel more refined, so you get a training bird and a fancy bird in the same kit. Before carving starts, take 1 minute to set yourself up safely. The kit includes cut-resistant tape. Wrap your thumb and fingers, especially the spots that might accidentally meet the blade. And remember, the goal is controlled slicing, not brute force. If you push too hard, the knife will fight you. Next, the pattern. This is what makes the kit beginner-friendly right away. You're not guessing proportions. You attach the template, line it up, and now you've got a clear guide for the silhouette. Now comes the rough carving. This is where you remove the big chunks and turn a rectangle into something bird-shaped. The best beginner strategy is carve around the lines first. Don't try to carve the whole bird instantly. Work in layers, take thin cuts. Cut by cut, the wood stops looking like a block and starts looking like a bird. You're basically sculpting the shape little by little, and even early on, it already feels like a real project. Once the silhouette is done, the goal becomes simple: smooth everything out. Comfort birds are all about rounded forms, so instead of carving details, you're carving flow. Soft curves, smooth transitions, and a shape that feels natural. One quick tip that saves beginners a lot of frustration: wood grain matters. If your knife suddenly starts tearing the wood instead of slicing cleanly, don't force it, just change direction. When you carve with the grain, the cuts feel smooth. When you go against it, the wood pushes back. After the carving is done and the bird has its final shape, sanding is what takes it to the next level. The kit includes multiple grits, so you can start rough and then go finer until the bird feels silky smooth. Inside the kit, you also get a leather strop, and this is essential for clean results. Apply a bit of polishing compound and strop the knife every 10 to 15 minutes, or anytime your cuts start feeling harder. A sharp knife feels safer, smoother, and more controlled, and it makes the entire carving process more enjoyable. Now for the most satisfying part, finishing. The kit includes beeswax, and as soon as you apply it, the wood color deepens and the bird starts looking like a real handmade piece. It seals the wood, smooths the surface, and gives it that warm, finished glow. And this is the payoff. 2 comfort birds. The basswood bird is the perfect warm-up, easy to carve, forgiving, great for learning. And the cherry bird is the final reward. A deeper color, a more premium feel, and a piece that looks display-worthy. So, can beginners really carve something nice with this DIY kit? Yes, because it's designed for success. The shape is simple but satisfying. The tools are included, the steps are clear, and the final result doesn't look like a craft fail. It looks like something you actually want to keep. If you've been thinking about trying wood carving, the DIY01 Comfort Bird Kit is one of the best ways to start because it gives you everything you need to go from zero experience to a finished handmade piece you can be proud of. If you enjoyed this kind of carving kit test, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you carve the basswood bird first or go straight for the cherry? And as always, happy carving.